Hey guys, in these tough times, the one thing that kept most of us sane and calm is creativity. For me, it's definitely crafting. And today I'm gonna show you guys how to beautify your walls the vintage chic way. The things you need are a frame, Fevicryl molded resin clay, some acrylic paints, chalk paints or any other acrylic paint would work, some paint brushes, and a clay mold. Start with combining the resin and the hardener together, and don't forget to apply oil on your hands and the clay mold. Press it down into the clay mold and pull off a neat and clean design. And remove the extra bits from the design with the help of an X-Acto knife. Directly paste it on the frame, you don't have to use any kind of glue. Now dry it for at least 2 hours. We are also making a candle holder for the wall, so we have already cut down the pieces. Now stick all the pieces of the candle holder with the help of a light. We have already hammered down the nails. Now we'll paste the base plate and the cup over it. The cup is actually the cap of the Fevistick glue. Now dry it for at least 1 day. Now we'll paint down the whole thing white. You have to apply at least 2 to 3 coats to give it a nice white finish. Apply some brown paint over it here and there for the distressed finish. I'm painting these frames in a nice French linen color. We'll frame some of my favorite paintings in these, and I'm gonna hang these with the help of ribbons. And look how cute these look. I've already stitched down a chic lampshade skirt for the walls gown. Shall we start styling everything in my study corner now? You have to wake up these sleepy heads also. I hope you all liked this video, and all of the raw materials are easily available on any online platform like Amazon.